Hello, friend. Welcome back. In our previous section, we have to discuss about the similar courses actually in this particular section, but we also keep hold for our title. Actually, you can also see that student also bot. Actually, it is not a student also bot. Okay, it would be the similar courses, right? It would be the similar courses. So better is section will be the dynamic perfectly, just not to make a change yet. But first of all, we just need to take a change first. It's just simple for the headline tag. And also here, look at this. This is the more courses. Actually, this instructor name is Josh Pritila. And if Josh Pritila has much more course has been created, this course will be showing here. You will be understand. Here is this. This is the all courses about that. We just add for couple of courses. You can also manage to create of his own choice of course. Because of that, this section we have already completed previously, right? Okay. So now at this moment I have just six courses, and this is the similar same instructor. Actually, this is the Josh Pritila, and this instructor courses will be showing here, and as well as also make this instructor name will be the dynamic. Okay. So now, so better so go to the VS Code and should take a action, appropriate action. It will be better understand for how to manage it. It will be simple. Here is our code editor. So better just makes large, and here this is our index.blade.php structure about. This is a similar courses. So better here the name will be changed first. Okay. And other will be the instructor about student feedback, course details review, preview, and this is show that this is the related courses. Okay. So step by step we just manage it statically, and this is our dashboard controller. So here we just make it the similar courses. Hmm. So now, actually more about the instructor, more course instructor will be showing here. So now just more underscore course. This is the course instructor ID equals to course instructor ID, and it will be the simple query we will be put in here. ID uh, is not equals. Oh, that's my mistake. Not equals to course ID. It will be the with user, and it would be the get. And this is the course wide instructor ID. So better just check it for the return, and you will be understand. And here initially to keep reload. Yes, this data will be came in here. Okay. So ensure the data perfect. Now this is our controller, and it will be the related courses. Actually here is the related courses. So first of all, here this need to make it pass the course actually, but before this the yes, it will need to do change first, and this should be change passing the data perfect, more course instructor, that's fine. This is the related course. Okay. And here previously pass the course, and it will be the user, and that's the relationship data it became. Okay, and here this is the one card, this is the two card, this all carded static data will be removed. Okay, and if for is okay, more course instructor as just keep the course actually once again. So just put in here no course font. It's fine. Okay, so better. This is the first thing of this image. Okay, so it will be the source. It will be the asset course. Perfect. It will be width 240, height 240. Hmm. Better also to put data source. This is nothing for. Okay. It's needed for the model purpose, and the next we just manage it. Data source. Perfect. And here also, this is the best seller. Actually, this is the label, and this label is comes from the course, and this the label. Done. And another things, this is the discount percentage actually. Oh, it will be. I got the mistake actually. Here is not a course level. Here is just through the. Here is a course base. Okay, so we need some condition actually. We just make it previously, but once again. But in this course base we previously will be discussed, so better we just put it. It's simple, not difficult. Or if you have any confusion, so give the video description, and I also put through the GitHub link also. Okay, and here is the course base. Okay, so this course base actually it will provide the discount percentage of these courses, and here. So first of all, it could be the minus, and that's a round function. You already knows about the round function. Selling price minus, that's not. discount price, selling price 100, and put take percentage. That's fine. And here this is the all label. Okay, so now that's okay. So here this is the card title. Hmm, that's fine. This is the course name actually. We just length of this 50. So better support string, put through the limit, be the course course name, and it will be the 50. Fine. And yeah, and also look at this. This is a instructor name actually. It should be make it dynamic, so better course to be the user. It will be the name, and this section will be work later. And here also this is the card actually. It's simple. $. It will be the course discount price, course will be selling price, and that's it. Maybe just check it for the browser, and here just skip reload. I hope that data will become. Look at this. This is the more courses by Josh Putila, and this is all of the courses will be showing here. Very good. This is the highest rated. Look at this. This high level actually is perfectly work to the discount percentage actually. And here is the it could be the $2 is came in here, right? It's not so really. I just change it. Okay, just change it. Now go. So what is the area? Actually, this area is here, and got the tab. And just check it once again. And it will be the far better, but it literally how to do this. And this is our courses, and here is little bit of space, but don't get any space. So okay, I just manage it. Once again, go to VS Code. So this is the courses, and here we just put in the style, margin light. It's a 10 pixel. This is the final time. Just keep reload. And here it looks very pretty, right? And this section will be completed. So part by part, I will make cover each and everything, and believe for that we make a big small contribution to make a large. Okay, and also go to our Git repo, and here is this. I just comment for YouTube LMS, and you just got a 28 commits, and this committed just 1 hour ago. The course will be created, so you just got it step by step, all of the source code in here. So some couple of people has to the mention the comment about the he did not find about the course or GitHub repo. Just and also be humble request, if like, if please some mention the star, it will help me for extra motivation. And honestly, if you like this project, humble request to subscribe of this channel. And future I will bring a lot of real world project, and if very helpful for your career. And you can get every instructor step by step. I just share my experience about this. You guys is got it completely free. Okay, so it's a real world project, and I hope it will very helpful for to get a job actually, or your portfolio to mention it. And if you can give manage any contact, you just contact my WhatsApp. I just try to respond as much possible as a quick time. So let's see for the next video, and this next video I will cover for this section. Actually, this section will be is so important and influence is a big type of it's will be really amazing. And after this completed this part, I also grabbed about the card functionality about the project. It's a very handy for this. It's a really professionally handling for manage the card. I hope you like it. And I just show it previously, and this is the card, and this is the cookie based system will be card. Okay, and so go to checkout is a very impressive. Is a card page, and also I just cover Stripe, PayPal, and also the cash. Actually, credit or debit is not here. So okay, for let's see for the next video, and enjoy this project. I hope that you enjoy this project very much. Okay, thank you.